Assalamu alaikum people, how are you? All right, where were we yesterday? You were doing inequalities, and today we're going to do more practice of them so that it's not an issue for us. Go on forward. Hmm. Someone got their hand up. Yes, Zoya. Yes, Zoya.
So, could we do that question?
Could we do the what?
That question, the one I asked, the
Yes,
question.
Zoya. Thank you for reminding me. Zoya, was it the bonus mark thingy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you for reminding me, Zoya. Very well done. Wait. I don't even remember where this question was from. Hmm. Assalamu alaikum, Shafe. How are you? Shafe, you were gone a very long time. Where were you? Hello, Shafe, can you hear me? Hmm. Wait, just give me a moment. Let me take out the question in particular. Hmm. All right. So this is the question that we want to solve. A curve has equation y is equal to x cube plus ax plus b. The stationary points of the curve are going to be have coordinates 2k and minus 2k and 10 minus k. Work out the value of A, the value of B, and the value of C. Now, this question is going to be solved. How so? Let's see. First off, we're going to have, there's a curve which has this equation. And they've already told you that the stationary points of the curve are x cubed plus ax plus b. Oh, wait, just give me a moment, guys. Sorry about that. Hmm. Hmm. All right. Apologies, where were we? So, the first thing that we need to do is that when we're doing this question, the first thing that I need to do is the only thing that can come to mind to me is that what if I take the derivative of this dy upon dx? And that is going to be what, guys? 3x squared plus a, right? Because b is obviously a constant term. It's a y-intercept, it's a constant term. There's no x with it. So the derivative of b is going to be 0. And the derivative of ax is going to be a. Now, so yeah, one thing is for sure. When x is equal to 2, these are the stationary points of the curve. That means that at these points, derivative is equal to 0. So, Zoya, what is going to happen now? If I put x is equal to 2 over here, that means that my derivative becomes 0 and my value becomes 2. So, it's going to become 2 squared plus a. It's going to become 0 is equal to 12 plus a. A is equal to minus 12. Clear, Zoya? Any issues with this?
Clear.
Next up, what you're going to do now for B and K, you're going to have to do them simultaneously. How we're going to do those? Let's see. I'm simply going to put in my original equation the value of any one of these coordinates. All right, any one of these coordinates. So what is this going to have? It's going to become y is equal to k when x is equal to 2, so 2 cubed, plus minus 12x. Now we already know the value of a, plus b. B is now going to be still b because we don't know the value of b. B is also the y x-intercept. Oh, y-intercepts, by the way. All right. Now what's going to happen? What should we do with this, guys? Obviously, I'm going to put the second coordinates in it as well. So 10 minus k, y is equal to 10 minus k when x is equal to minus 2 cubed plus minus 12x plus b. Okay, if we try to solve them further, what is going to happen? It's going to become k is equal to 8 minus 12. Oh, by the way, why am I writing x? X is already over here, it's 2, and over here it's minus 2. Apologies. So what's going to happen now? So it's going to be 8 plus 20 minus 24. So 8 minus 24 is b minus 16. Clear? And this one, if I simplify this, this is going to be 10 minus k is equal to what you may call minus 8 plus 24. So minus 8 plus 24 is going to be b plus 16, probably. Yep. Okay, now what's going to happen? Can you not solve this simultaneously? The value of k can be put over here. So what is going to happen if the value of k is put there? Let's see. So if I put the value of k into 10 minus k, so instead of 10 minus k, it's going to be b minus 16, which is going to be equal to b plus 16. Solving this further, if I take it to the other side, it's going to be whatever it is equal to. It's going to be 10 minus b plus 16 is equal to b plus 16. Minus b can be gone to the other side, so it's going to be 10 plus 16 minus 16 is equal to 2b. Because b, when it went to the other side, it added, cancels out. 2b is equal to 10. So b is equal to 10 over 2 is equal to b. B is equal to 5. Clear there? Anything that you don't get from this?
Yeah, I got it.
Sorry?
I understand.
All right. Now, simply value of k. K is going to be equal to b minus 16. B is already 5. 5 minus 16 is equal to k is equal to 11, but minus. Clear? So it was really easy to do. Not really easy to be honest, but like still, it was not that difficult. Any issues with this, guys? This was the bonus mark question a while ago. Sorry, could you repeat that, sir?
Where did you get the 2b?
Why did I get it to what?
Where did you get the 2b from?
It was minus b over here and it's b only over here. When I take b to the other side, it's going to be b plus b,
Oh,
2b.
okay.
Okay? It was minus. The reason for that is this was minusing with the entire bracket because I replaced it, right? So minus minus cancels out and 16 becomes plus and minus b, it becomes minus b. Clear? Anyone who has any questions with this, let me know. All right. Now, in today's class, we're going to do some past paper questions regarding inequalities. Let me copy them down. Oh, bus itself. All right. Inequality questions are not that hard at all. Like they're very easy, but they're easier to get wrong as well because they're sometimes overlooked in some cases as well. So I don't want that to happen. What is wrong with it? Hmm. No, I don't remember giving you this question, but it's worth a try. Wait, let me give you something where it's like shade the region or something like that. Yep, this is a good question. Hmm. Yeah, just give me a moment, guys. Okay, this is a good question. By the way, this is a past paper question. So let's see how you guys fare in this question. Oh, I just need to wipe out the solution before I tell you guys. Okay, first do this one and then do the other one, and I'll show you both. This one is easier. This is a very simple inequality question. I'm giving you guys 2 minutes to solve this one. And your time has started now. This one. Solve the inequality. Whoever's done, kindly raise your hand too. All right, a lot of you have gotten their answer. Okay, I think Zoya was the one that did first, but let us see. Yeah, first to last is Zoya. Yeah, Zoya, can you tell us your answer, please, for this one? And we'll all model it after you. Still 5 seconds to go, to be honest.
I got x is greater than -5.
X is greater than -5. Everyone agreed with Zoya? Is there anyone who's got a different answer? Yes, Saad. Yes, Saad.
Got the same answer.
All right, you guys are raising your hands for the same answer. Okay. If anyone has a different answer, tell me now. Okay, I think all of you have the same answer, so that's a good thing. Okay. Put your hands down. Now comes this question. Mhm. Yes, guys. This is also a bonus mark question. Let's see. It's a 5 mark question. You have to find three inequalities that define the. So they are saying that they have shaded this region. And obviously, these three equations are going to have their own inequalities. So how did they come to shade this region? You have to find those three inequalities. Yes, come on, do this one. Let me know. How much time should I give you for this one? 5 minutes should be enough? I think so. Yeah, 5 minutes are enough. Let me know when you're done. Raise your hand. Zoya, are you done or do you have a question?
I'm done.
That's good. The rest you guys have like around 20 seconds. Basit is saying something. I don't know what. Yes, Kushi done?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Shafi, I did not hear you. Oh, apologies about that, Shafi. I did not know about that. Best wishes to you and your father. Hopefully he's okay now. Shafi, is he better now? Hopefully so. Sorry, I did not see the chat, Shafi. Otherwise, I would have responded to you. I just saw it. All right. Best wishes nonetheless. Okay. Do take your time. It's not an issue. The classes will be recorded and stuff. I'll also post the recordings on my god. I'm so far behind. Hmm. Wait, just give me a moment, guys. All right. Zoya was done first, so Zoya draws first blood. Yes, Zoya.
Okay,
Just
so
tell us one. Just tell us one. Any of your
okay,
choice.
y is greater than x.
Y is greater than what?
X.
Y is greater than X. Okay. What's up next? Okay, who was done next? Where did it go? I think Kushi was done. Yes, Kushi, can you tell me the answer? Give us anyone.
So x greater than or equal to 2.
So you're saying X is greater than or is equal to what?
2.
All right. Anyone has any other answer that they would like to tell us? I think Basit told us. Basit, can you type the third answer in the chat? Basit, I cannot hear you. Could you speak a bit louder?
Y is less than
What is he saying? Can someone translate for Basit? Basit, Y is equal to 7 plus what? 10? Basit, it's better if you just type it in the chat. Basit, I can't really see anything. I don't know where Basit went. Yes, anyone else who's done? Hani, are you done?
No, sir.
All right. What about you, Hamdan? What's the third answer?
Miss, I got the same as X, the first two.
Yeah, tell us the third one.
So I didn't do the third one yet.
Oh, okay. Saad, tell us.
Y is less than or equal to 2.
Y is less than or equal to 2.
Yes.
That doesn't seem correct, does it? Khushi, is that correct?
No, sir, I got a different answer.
Tell us yours.
I got y less than or equal to negative 3 upon 5x plus 6.
Wait, could you repeat that, but slowly, Khushi? Negative
Negative
3 upon
5 upon 5 plus 6 into x plus 6.
negative 3 upon 5 or negative 5 upon 5?
Negative 3 upon 5
Negative 3 upon 5 plus 6.
x. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Who's going to tell us that this is correct? Raneem, did you do this one?
No, sir.
By Raneem, you should have. Okay, Zoya, can you confirm that this answer is correct?
Yes, sir. I got the same answer.
What if both of you are wrong though? Could be the case. Okay, let's check it out. The first thing I know is this equation is x is equal to 2. And because I'm shading to the right of this equation, that means that this inequality determines that x is greater than or equal to 2. Clear? Bingo. Well done, Fuji. Okay. The second one is this line. Now, how do I find? Okay, the c of this line is the y-intercept of this line is equal to 0. And if I calculate the gradient of this line, I'm going to do it a bit quickly. How so? I'll tell you a technique as well. For every one increase in y, you see one increase in x. So the gradient is equal to 1. Clear? You can clearly see. For every 2 increase in y, you get 2 increase in x. So change in y over change in x. So the gradient is also equal to 1. So if your equations are written as y is equal to mx plus c and y is equal to 1x plus 0, then technically it's going to be y is equal to x. So this is a very famous line of the examiner, which is y is equal to x. Now, one thing for sure, it's a dotted line. So it's only going to be less than or equal to, not less than or greater than, not is equals to. And you're shading above the line. So shouldn't it be y is greater than x? Bingo. This one's correct too. Now the last line. The y-intercept of this line is 6. So the y-intercept of this line, which is equal to c, is equal to 6. Calculate the gradient of this line. Choose any 2 points on the graph which can help you calculate the gradient. I always try to take the whole number point, so I'll take this point, which is 5 and 3. And I'll try to take this point, which is 10, 0. If I calculate the gradient is y2 minus y1. So y2 is 3 minus y1, which is 0. And x2 minus x1, which is 10. So it's going to be 3 over minus 5, which technically means minus 3 over 5. So if your gradient is minus 3 over 5 and your y-intercept is 6, can I simply write down my equation as y is equal to minus 3 over 5x plus 6? Because I'm writing it down in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Clear? And you're shading below the line. So if I'm shading below the line, that means that it's supposed to be, and it's a full line, not a dotted line. So it's going to be y is equal to less than equal to minus 3 over 5x plus 6. Clear, guys? Is there anyone who does not understand this? Raneem, is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
And what about you, Saad?
The y is 6 in the last equation.
It's the y-intercept. You can clearly see the line is cutting the y-axis at 6, Saad. And what is your general form of the equation? Y is equal to mx plus c. And c is what? The y-intercept. So that is why I wrote c as x. Oh, c as 6. Clear, Saad?
Here.
Anything that you don't get? All right. Okay, well done. That was really good. Oh, there you go. Okay, let's do more questions. Raheem, is this one clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Whoever's not answering me, the next question you guys will have to do it. So brace for impact. Why can I not find another question? That's weird. I should be able to. Hmm. And this question also comes a lot as well in your exam. Be very wary of that. Hmm. Just give me a moment. There was a question that I had taken out. But now for some reason I cannot find it. Mm-hmm. No, this is something else. Oh. Why am I not finding an inequality question? That's weird. I should be able to. Okay, I found one. Hopefully you guys are able to do this one. And I don't know why usually a lot of students struggle with this question. So let's see if you guys do it or not. This is the question, guys. Kindly solve it. Shade the region. Kindly let me know when you're done with this. Very easy. It's not that easy, but still is. Yeah, Zoya?
Sir, how do we shade y is equals to 0?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, sorry about that. Apologies. That wasn't. That is by mistake. Okay, shade. Yes, thank you, Zoya, for asking that. Shade. Y is greater than y is greater than 0 is equal to, and oh yes, put is equals to sign because there's no dotted line, so put it by yourselves. I thought that was common sense. Yeah. Yep. Who's done? Saad, yes.
It's below the curve and left of the line.
Wait, let me see. First, I need to highlight it with white. Yes, sir. Below the curve, okay, right about here, this entire region, but left of the line, which line?
The straight line on
Like
3 and above the x-axis.
this area.
Yes.
Wow, sir. Well done. Very well done. Yes, Saad is right. Well done. Okay, raise your hands if you think Saad is correct. Basit thinks Saad is correct. Hmm. Hani thinks it. Shafi thinks it as well. Hamdan thinks it's. Raneem also thinks it's. Who does not think it's right? Zoya also thinks. All of you think it's right? Unanimously. What if I tell you he's not? Can anyone point out uh, if he's not? Yes, you guys are raising your hand to point out he's not right. Okay. All of a sudden, all the hands are down. Yes, Hamdan. Can you tell me why? Where is Saad is correct, but he's 50% correct? Okay. Vishal, you are raising your hand. You have to explain why are you raising your hand for too.
We need to shade also the other side.
You have to shade the other side. Very well done, Ishal. Excellent. Ishal is absolutely right, guys. It says what? That it is supposed to be above the what you may call. Okay, the line y is equal to 0 is first and foremost the x-axis. This one. Because at this point y is equal to 0. Secondly, if you're shading above this line, okay, very well done. Then you have to shade less than x is equal to 3. Obviously, the straight line is this guy, x is equal to 3, and you have to shade it over. And you have to shade below the curve. So, one thing that you guys failed to point out is everyone was thinking that this is the area. But where did I say that this is not included? You have to shade left of this straight line. How much longer you left? And you have to shade below this curve. So, isn't this area qualifying as a region which can be shaded? Clear? Is this clear? So, the entire region that you're supposed to shade kind of looks like this. Not like this. That's hideous. So this is also going to be included because it's towards the left and everything. But where did I say that you have to stop at this point? I told you left of this side, below this line and above this. So this area is going to be included too. Clear? Anyone who does not get this at all? Yes, Shafi, you've got your hand up. Hello, can you guys hear me? Apologies about that. Saad, can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, before I wasn't, and I was telling you that will be it for today. Whatever time we're left, we're going to cover that tomorrow. Okay? Keep smiling, guys. If you have any questions, stay back and ask them to me. Otherwise, Allah Hafiz, bye bye. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.